So like you can see the troops unit, the troops HP, accuracy, power, all that stuff. And that'll just be a front end ticket. And let's first take a look at what map container is and where this would fit in. So do I want it hovering over map container or separated? Oh, map container takes up the whole screen, so let's also enlarge. So I'm using grid, so it's responsive. But if it's taking up the whole screen, then I definitely want it to be within map container or be hovering. But also, I could do that with CSS. So let's make it separate from map container. We will put it out here. Yep. Okay, so let's first create our container. Info container. Okay, so we're gonna wanna import React. And we're gonna use hooks for this. So it'll be a function. And export default info container. Okay, and then we're gonna return, let's do a div. Inside the div for now, we're just gonna say this is info. And then we're gonna put it here. We'll worry about props in a minute. Okay. Let's see. Wow, bad. I don't see it. So, info container. Well, let's see if it's in the HTML. Here's our map container. Okay, info containers there. We just need to use some CSS to make it always visible. And we need to add a class name. Create our CSS file. Okay. Add that to our main CSS file. Right here. Pretty much that. Okay, and then let's give it display, wait, not display, position. Fixed or absolute? I think absolute because we're not, no, fixed. Yeah, there will be scrolling, I think, at some point when the map gets larger. Okay, so position fixed, bottom 0. Let's check that out. Yeah, there we go. And then I'm gonna want display flex, justify, content center, align, item center, and refresh. Okay, that's not centered, but I feel like it's because the div is tiny. Yep, it is. So we're gonna want width to be 100 VW, view width. Here we go. Okay, so we have our info container. We're probably gonna want some fixed height too. Height, let's say 10 view height. Okay, so that's just going to be 10% of the screen height. We'll keep it small. And then now let's replace this as info with some actual and useful information. So we can pass in current player. Current player will have, no, actually, let me think about that. We probably want state of the selected thing, whatever it is. And in addition to that, we're gonna need some function to update selected equals, oops. So it's gonna be item, right? And then this dot set state selected to item, okay? And then we're gonna pass selected into our info container. Okay, info container to receive selected. If selected is null, then we're just gonna return an empty div, basically. And if there is info, then selected, oops, then we're gonna want a p tag. Let's do it. Okay, and then selected dot title. Let's look at our types to see what's available. Split that out. So we have a unit that has a title, HP, power, accuracy, range. Okay. Right. So we want power, accuracy, range. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait, whoa. Selected should be null. So what's going on there? Oh, I see. So selected is an object of selected null. Interesting. What happened here? Don't need that anymore. Selected item. This never got called yet. So where's state? State is selected. Selected equals selected. Info container received an object. The heck? Okay. I want to know what's that. Selected is no. That's interesting because then, all right, so let's do 1 and then 2. Let's, okay. So the structure selected, that's more, I get, yep, okay, good. So now we have, if we use our selected function, set selected over here, pass it over to map container, then we can select our single troop. And that container needs to receive set selected. So we want to say on click, we're gonna, oh, hold on. How do we select a troop? So each div has an on click. This on click is for moving a troop. But what if I just want to select it? Yeah, before I can move it, I should select it. So I'm using an if statement here. It also wants to receive selected instead of hard coding this. Okay. This is gonna be a problem. Think it through. So I definitely don't want that. Hi. Oh, yeah. Sure. You want to see the browser? It's erroring out. So what's up here? Set selected does not exist. Yeah, I didn't save yet, so we'll get to that. But right now, we need to select the troop that was clicked, and then with that, I will say troop equals selected. For that, let's say troop equals and pass in selected. It's going to be either a unit or actually it'll just be a unit. And then on app, pass in selected also. Okay, the problem here is what if selected is null? Then it'll be null. That's fine because we have a check on true. So if selected is null, none of this is going to happen. And also over here, that's okay too. We have, okay, but then we need to also make use of set selected. And that's going to take place in the on click. So we need an if condition here. If If no selected, actually, no. What needs to happen here? Let's do that. If the clicked box has a troop, then set selected. Right. Else if and move to that location. Else if selected and the clicked location. Oh wait, that should just be, that's it. Else if selected is defined, then move to that location. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So if cell dot wait. Cells dot map. Current player dot units dot sum unit dot x triple equals to cell dot x and unit dot y triple equals to cell dot y. Then we know that the box that we just clicked has a troop on it, so we want to set selected to this unit. So it's less of a sum, more of a find. Yeah, so let's do this. Const selected unit equals to that, and find, and selected unit gets set. What's this? Got one? Oh yeah. So over here we want to say unit or item, because later on it could be a building. So we'll say item, and let's go over to app. So our set selected receives the item, set state with the item. Reasonable, okay. But then we also need to handle the moving. Else we do that. Okay. So if the thing that we clicked has a unit, we're only gonna set it as our selected item. And then if the thing that we clicked does not have a unit, then we will move. Oh wait, else if selected is defined. Because then if nothing was selected and you just click on a random spot in the map, nothing should happen. Yeah. Oh, you can unselect. Yeah, that's reasonable. Select it to null. Okay. So if we refresh. What the heck? Where did the troops go? Oh yeah, I deleted it. That's right. So we do want to show the troops though. Let's see, troop equals selected enemy equals cells.map troop equals selected. Oh, good, no. Oh, no. So, troop equals selected. Cells.map. Okay, so let's first bring the troop back. Current player.units.find selected unit. No matter what, we're gonna want to show the troop. Not only if it's selected. Oh man. So like this has to show. This always has to show. Okay, let's think about that. And so we need cells.map is generating all the cells. Some of these cells will have a unit on it or a troop on it. I need to do another for loop here, I believe. No, that's going to create too many cells. Return cell.map. So that's already created. Troop that position. I'm going to delete that. Okay. Yeah, let's do it like this. Move this up. Current player.units.find unit dot x equals cell.x unit.y unit dot position dot x unit dot position dot y. So this is a troop. Okay. If troop set selected troop. So I should swap the two. Selected. Oops. Okay, let's think about this. So we're saying if we have a troop on this particular cell, then we're gonna give it some class name styling. And then if selected, which is currently null, then we're going to move. Else if there's a troop on the spot that we just clicked, we're going to set selected to troop. And if we click a random spot, then set selected will be null. So then after I click the troop, if I click a different location, then selected is true, then we're going to move the troop. That's reasonable. But then let's say I click, let's say selected. Let me think about that. All right. So selected. But then this would never happen. So like I can't unselect something. Right. That's not good. I guess I don't have to unselect something. I should always select something. Yeah. So if selected, we're gonna move. Well, it's not just selected. If selected and no troop. Else if troop. Maybe there is a case where I want to set selected to null. Maybe there is. So like else if selected and no troop. Else if troop, set selected troop. Okay, let's just test that out. Oh, we lost the enemy. Okay. So, nothing. That's fine. And something. Okay, now let's move you. Nice. Okay, so what if I want to move again? What happens? Still working. Okay, nice. I think that's good. So we lost the enemy though. Let's see what happened there. And enemy. This is a hard-coded one, so to change first unit. Okay, so we have, when do we use this? Troop name enemy, class name enemy. Oh, I see. So we don't need to have troop. Class name equals troop. I think that should be enemy dot status. Yeah, that makes more sense. And then touch. Okay, so the enemy is back. So clicking doesn't do anything. Well, let's get rid of one of the two console logs. It's a bit much. So we have selected here. And where else? This could just be that. Okay, so selected is null, data is on an interval. I clicked a random spot and it's null, that's good. If I click an enemy, it's also null, that's good. If I click my own troop though, now it's selected. and I see this. Oh, that doesn't look very clean. I can fix that. And then if I want to move it, it'll move. And now they're battling, which is good. What if I want to move away? Okay, good. So let's try it on this side. Oh yeah, I gotta plug it first. Okay, here we go. Okay. Sweet. And if I want to run away, nice. That's all good. Let's just make this look a little cleaner. And these are p tags indeed, so they should stack up, but what did I say here? Flex direction should be column. There. But also it's going off the screen. So maybe 20 instead of 10. And then over here, let's make this bold. Yeah. Okay. I think this is a good spot for this particular feature for now. And we'll keep improving it in future sessions. So there's that, and we could get rid of the catalog. All right, what happened here? If selected and no troop, right? Else if troop, then set selected else. I don't think this ever happens. You just can't unselect something then? You've always got to select the next thing. That doesn't really make sense. Else if, what if I swap the two, right? Else if troop. So else, let me try to say else if troop dot position of x triple equals to cell dot x and troop dot position dot y triple equals to cell dot y, which is saying if you click the troop that you already selected, we will unselect it. Oh god. Position is a typo. Position. Okay, so I select it or not. Doesn't work. I think I broke it. Yeah, looks like I broke it. Okay. So what happened? Oh, I mean, this is always going to happen. That doesn't make any sense. All right, I'm just going to proceed with if troop. We can't unselect our troop for now. We'll figure it out in a separate ticket. Later, other troops. What is this? Oh, okay, to do. Able to unselect a troop, a unit. Let's move that after buildings. because there may be logic that involves whether you're clicking a unit or a building. Players have multiple troops, that's important. Enable player to choose if the unit they move should stop in their tracks to attack enemy. Okay, that sounds like fun. But I've got to start work soon, so we're going to stop here for now, and we'll pick up next time to work on this feature. Sweet, thank you for watching, and leave any comments or questions if like you feel like something is about what I'm doing is confusing, or if you think like whatever I'm working on could be different. Please do let me know. I'm just trying to like figure it out as I'm going. And yeah, as usual, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.